So Friday, I bought another Boeing contract. You can see now I'm up 80 something percent. So it's pretty cool on this account, basically due to the fact that Boeing this morning gapped up. And my target is around here. But if it goes above here, it has a possibility to go way up here to about 230. Now that may take some time, but we'll just go ahead and wait and see what happened. But yeah, this is a really good position that I have right now, 83% P&L. So just waiting to see what's going to happen. I'm gonna end this video, but it's still shooting up. The market has only been open for 4 minutes, so it's pretty insane right now. Basically, it's due to some news. So if we go and look, we can see that these people are saying that it could possibly raise another 30%, which is incredible. And then talking about some results at the Dubai Air Show. So basically all of this plays a factor. So right now I'm going to take a partial position and go from there. So we'll see. Ended up taking and getting a 975